Shucks, I'm nervous actually. We're at the top already. Oh my god, look at the back. Oh, tignan mo. Oh my god. We're so sorry.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Train, so it's all the way down to Bugis.
Okay.
Alright?
Okay.
So to get to Terminal 2, it's all the way to the end. Take the shuttle bus that is coming every 5 minutes and get to Terminal 2. So once, yes, it's free.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
That's helpful. Thank you. Okay, so we're still here at the Changi Airport, and I think we drop off from the Terminal 4 to Terminal 2, and we will be riding the train going to Bugis. So yeah, we had a safe flight actually kanina, and dito na kami bumili ng train ticket. The transport ticket that we will be using for the train and also the bus. Tama ba? Except for the taxi. So yes, it's freaking cold here. Right now, medyo parang Pilipinas yung dating ng temperature because it's a bit hot. It's like, you know, you're in Philippines.
A few moments later.
We're going to Bugis and just go around because our hotel accommodation will be around 12 and it's 10 a.m. in the morning and we're still on track. So we're out of the Bugis station already and we're heading to Jamilla. So right now I don't know which way to go. It's freaking hot here actually, but it's like Ilocos. I feel like I was in Ilocos. It's like Ilocos inside the BGC. Sky Lunch, yes. We're here at the Sky Lunch and it's freaking hot.
Freaking hot. Maganda yung beach shot. Can we go there? First, before we go home. Kasi tayo dun sa rides natin.
Okay,
Kasi
oo.
maganda na kaya tayo.
Uy, tignan mo, Demi, you get it refresh.
Free?
Nakakainis to. Naghanap ng free sa Singapore. Free.
Why? What's that?
Seriously, no, it's free.
6.5.
Talaga ba? Kasi yung water free.
No.
Seryoso ba? Ganito kataas yung ano? Sky Lunch. Oh God, so kakapagod. May kotse naman pala eh. Hindi tayo nagkotse.
Thank you for visiting Sentosa.
Ano ba pinuntahan natin? Thank you for visiting. Eh bakit ba tayo nandito? Anong ginagawa mo? Anong ginagawa mo? Sabi kasi di ba you're here and then may 2 minutes something. Baka dun sa kabilang trail. Bakit?
A few moments later.
Helmets collection. I need to take off. We need to get one, right? fucking shit. Oh my god. Sorry.
Skyline man tawag dito?
Skyride.
Skyride. So it's already 8 p.m. and we're still outside. We're at the Marina Bay. As you can see, that one. Yeah, and then there are lights of eggs, so floating eggs, and that one, the sentries of Singapore. That's so funny. Sorry. So yeah, we're gonna walk here and try to explore things up. Yeah. Where are we going, by the way? Sa bridge? Ito yung bridge? Seriously? Demi, ang taas na naman. At hindi na ako nakita sa video. So we're walking in the bridge. And the bridge is the bridge. There's a lot of people out here. And yes, people are staring at the colorful eggs floating in the water. I don't know, feeling cool. Yeah, because there's a guard, but yeah, it's too bad we aren't able to make it. Sarado now. The flowers is not. Let's find other Filipinos here through their accents. It's really funny. I cannot see myself in the video. Oh
my.
Where am I? This is really hard. Doing a vlog in the night, it's really hassle for me. Yeah, I don't get it. Can we just cover them?
Time out.